Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to talk about the rebuilding of Jamaica. As you know, Hurricane Melissa devastated western Jamaica. Infrastructure destroyed, government buildings destroyed, towns literally damaged, certain areas, neighborhoods totally damaged, destroyed. So Jamaica needs to rebuild. Now we are going to go through an article talking about China rebuilding Jamaica, or Chinese contractors rebuilding Jamaica. Now this road we're driving on is Highway 2000 East-West leg. A Chinese contractor built this road. There is no local contractor or Jamaican contractor that could build this road within budget and deliver it on time. So we need the foreign contractors to come in. They have the expertise, they bring financing with them, and they get the job done. So we're going to go through an article that gives more information on this. And guys, let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Hurricane Melissa was a painful reminder of Jamaica's vulnerability to powerful storms, but it also created an opening for smarter planning, stronger construction, and modernized infrastructure. Chinese contractors, if engaged under strict guidelines and transparent agreements, can help Jamaica rebuild faster while improving resilience for future disasters. The decision is ultimately about strategy, not dependence, and about choosing the partners who can help secure a safer, stronger Jamaica for generations to come. Hurricane Melissa struck Jamaica with devastating force, leaving behind widespread destruction across rural districts, major towns, and vital infrastructure. From flooded roadways in St. Thomas to collapsed bridges in St. Elizabeth and damaged schools across the central parishes, the storm exposed how fragile many of the island's systems remain. As the cleanup continues, the nation faces a critical question. Should Jamaica turn to Chinese contractors to help rebuild stronger and faster? Melissa was not the first storm to hit Jamaica, but it will not be the last. Each hurricane season places immense pressure on drainage systems, bridges, housing developments, and public facilities. The scale of the damage from Melissa washed out highways, downed utility poles, and destroyed crops makes clear the country needs reconstruction capacity that is both rapid and resilient. This has sparked renewed national debate about whether Chinese construction companies should take a larger role. China has become known worldwide for large-scale infrastructure projects completed at exceptional speed. Highways, tunnels, rail lines, airports, and massive public buildings are often constructed in record time. In Jamaica, previous collaborations have already produced major achievements, including highways that reduce travel time across the island. After a disaster like Hurricane Melissa, three main reasons drive renewed interest in these partnerships. Speed and efficiency. Rebuilding after Melissa requires rapid mobilization. Chinese contractors often bring large teams, heavy equipment, and a fast-paced building model. 2. Technical expertise. The storm caused structural damage that requires advanced engineering, especially in flood-prone and mountainous regions. Chinese companies frequently have specialized knowledge in disaster-resilient construction. 3. Financing options. Post-hurricane recovery strains the national budget. Some Chinese-led projects include financing arrangements that ease the immediate financial load. If structured properly, partnerships with Chinese contractors could bring significant benefits to Jamaica's long-term development. Stronger hurricane-resilient infrastructure built with modern engineering. Foster restoration of economic activity in agriculture, tourism, and transportation. Expanded employment if contracts include requirements for Jamaican workers. New technologies and skills transfer to local engineers and builders. More reliable road networks, bridges, and public buildings capable of withstanding future storms. Melissa exposed weaknesses, but also highlighted the opportunity to rebuild smarter, not just replace what was lost. Alright guys, that's the end of the update article. So let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.